Hi everyone, my name is Heather and I'm the person behind Happy Puppy Truffles. Today I wanted to share with you guys a cute book that I saw at the library, and I know I can't share with you everything that's inside, of course, but this is one of the cute items that you can have available if you happen to come to Japan to either visit or live for a while. Then you have access to stuff like this. You can sometimes buy these things through Amazon and stuff like that, but they can be a little tricky to get your hands on. But this is one that features Sanrio characters and their origami, and I went ahead and I made a couple of the models that are featured in it. There's lots of these basic, it's a pretty new version, so there's some newer characters, which is kind of cute. There's the normal Hello Kitty characters, there's My Melody and the little twin stars. There's a cute pom pom pudding, and then this little box that you can make, Cinnamon Roll and his friend, and then kind of more of a news, recently popular characters of Humming Mint, the little deer, and the Bonbon Ribbon bunny rabbit, who's super cute, and then Gude Tama, which is pretty popular right now, of that weird little egg, and Kirimi, which is another kind of weird thing, if you ask me. And then, of course, good old-fashioned Keropi, Bad Batsmaru, Shinkaizoku. I don't know what that one is. Actually, I haven't seen that one before. But then there's also some of the Shobai Rock characters, which is super cute. So that was kind of cool to see that there's some new additions to it, and Kuromi, of course. But the general instructions are pretty easy to follow. Now, a lot of this all relies on if you can successfully kind of recreate their faces when you draw it on there, and I think that's the big key to making them look cute or not. I went ahead and made Kiki and Lala, or the little twin stars. These were made out of 3 pieces of origami paper. One for the hair, one for the face, and one for the body and arms and such. And it was a pretty easy fold with pretty cute kind of, you know, suggestions for design and everything. And then their face isn't too hard. So I was able to, you know, pull that off pretty well, I think. But it's definitely a really cute, fun little project. Now it's more craft, so you do need to have pencils or pens and markers, and then I did need scissors to cut along the scalloping of their hair. But I think the results are really cute, and if you happen to be a Sanrio fan, it can be really worth your while to pick up a book like this, because it can be a fun way to get to do a little bit of origami and also have some fun folding stuff. So I would definitely recommend it if you guys can get your hands on it. Of course, that's the big key to stuff, but I hope you guys can maybe have a chance to try this out. I would recommend it. It's not too complicated, so you know, it's pretty good medium level quality of work, so I definitely recommend it to you guys. I'll have some more fun things to share with you in the days to come, so look for those. Thanks again always so much for watching, and I will see you all next time. Bye!